Good morning, students. See, already we have started the lesson on Saturday. I showed you, I told you the lesson, honey, sweet honey. So, all of you first open page number, be ready with page number 15. All of you open page number 15 and sit properly first. Sit properly and open your textbook. Page number 15. Let me show you some diagrams. Are you sitting properly? Sit properly. I cannot see you sitting properly. Now, look page number 15. I was telling the lesson honey sweet honey. Saturday we came to the end of the lesson. Now you can observe in page number 15. You can observe the pictures of the how the this beehives are there. These are the pictures of beehive. On page number 15 you can observe here. And also you can observe these pictures. The size of the bees and the type of hives are not the same. The size are and shape are not same. They are different. Some are small and some are big. Understood? And observe the different types of bees and hives around you. Here also you can see down here. See in the some forest and all. See how. See, they have arranged like this. The flower plants are there, and the box are fixed here. In this beehives are been made, and even in the boxes, you can see the hives which are kept in the garden and all. So these are the different types of beehives. So now this lesson comes to end. Now some picture I will show on page number, look page number 17 here. Page number 17. What all things we are, now look in your textbook, not to look anywhere. You look page number 17 in your book, not anywhere. Can you hear what I am telling you? You must look in textbook only, not the other side. Now look there, which are the other things available to you from the hive? So what things we are getting from the hives? See, I can see you are not attentive here. Be attentive. Now see, what all things we are available from these things are available from the hive. You can see in the page number 17 here. In the center there is honey beehive is there, and what things we are getting is from the honey. See, we can make candle. You can see the candle here, and also paint we can make. Next ointment. Ointment means medicine we can make. Next powder we can make. Then ink also we can make. So these all are things we can make from the honeybee. Understood? Or from the beehive. So now some important points I am going to read. Look here and page number 17. Do you know this? A honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. In one round, this honeybees they collect nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. In one round, they collect nectar from 50 to 100 flowers. Now, next second point, the only food that man eats produced by the insect is honey. This is also a very important point. The only food that we get from the this insects, from this insects, that is honey. It is nothing but the honey bee only. This honey. The only food that man eats produced by insects is honey. Understood? This is the only food through which by which insect which is produced by insects is the honey. And as the ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil, the plants grow luxuriantly. So because of this ants and white ants, they burrow the ground. Burrow means they make they pass inside the soil and they make the holes. They burrow means they make the soil loose. They make the soil loose and allow the air to pass. And the air will pass inside the soil. Thus the plants grow luxuriantly means very this one with this with all the facilities it will be plants will be growing. Now hives, nests, ant hills, termitaria, and spiders, web, etc. are the wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom. This hives, beehive, nests, ant hills, termitaria, and spiders web, etc. are wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom, which are made by the insects and which even the birds build. You know that hive is made by this bees, nest by birds, and ant hills by the ants, and termitaria even this insects, this ants only, and spider webs by spiders. So these are the wonderful construction which cannot be done by the man. Understood? Though man is very intelligent, but he cannot he cannot make hives or nest or ant hill and all. Understood? So these are wonderful construction of the animal kingdom. Last point, the ant which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight is called umbrella ant. Soba ant. The ant which carries, I think some of you might see that they carry leaf on its back to protect itself, to protect ತನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗೆ ಒಂದು this insect or this ant, it will carry the leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight, and it is called umbrella ant. So now these are the important points to be known by you. So this is about the lesson. This is the means from this lesson you are going to study the about the different behaviors of animals and also uses of how the this honey bees they prepare the honey and what all work they do. So this is all about the lesson honey, sweet honey. Now all of you open your classwork, it is notebook and put heading lesson number 2 honey, sweet honey neatly. Write heading and I am giving question answers. Take down them. Be ready with your classwork notebook. Now let me start the question answers. And now first write all of write on the upper side on the red line write honey, sweet honey. Start. First question, it is answer the following questions. First question, answer the following questions. Write answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Right, first question. First question. Let me write it correctly. Answer the following questions. Do the answer the following. Answer the following questions. Right, yes. Right, first question. Question number 1. Question number 1. What do the hen teach to its chicks? Teach to its chicks. First question. Write down. What do the hen teach to its chicks? This is the first question. Take down in your book. It is compulsory, all must write. First question. What do the hen teach to its chicks? Answer. The hen teach to its chicks. The hen teach to its chicks how to search the food. The hen teach to its chicks how to search the food. The hen teach to its chicks to search the food. The hen teach to its chicks to search the food. This is the first answer. First question and answer. Second one. Write the second one. I think you have written first question answers. Now write the second question. How does the baby monkey hold its mother? How do the baby monkey hold its mother? Hold its mother. How do the baby monkey hold its mother? How do the baby monkey hold its mother? Question 1. Answer 2. The baby monkey hold the baby monkey hold the belly of its mother very firmly, FIRMLY. Baby monkey hold the belly of its mother very firmly. The baby monkey hold the belly of its mother very firmly. Third one. Take down third question. How many bees are there in a hive? Third question. How many bees are there in a beehive? Question mark. How many bees are there in a beehive? Answer. Write the third question. If you completed, I'll be Sanju writing a question answers. Finish writing. Continue this. Continue the answer. There are thousands of bees. In a beehive. There are thousands of bees in a hive. Beehive. There are thousands of bees in a hive, and there is one queen bee. There is one queen bee. QUEEN, queen bee. There is one queen bee. ಒಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಣಿ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ರಾಣಿ ಜೇನು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One queen bee, and rest all are there is one queen bee, and rest all are worker bees. There is one queen bee, and rest all are worker bees. In 1000 bees, see only one is queen bee, other all are worker bees. Understood? They are workers. Worker means they do different works. Now this is the third answer completed. If you finish, and go to fourth one. Complete third one. Let me go to, let me run first answer. There are four questions. Fourth one. What is the work of worker bee? What is the what is the work of what is the work of worker bees? Worker bees. What work do the worker bees do? So answer. What is the work of worker bees? Worker bees. Question mark. The work of worker bees is to answer. The work of worker bees is to the work of worker bees is to the work of worker bees if you cannot see, repair or better, you have question. It is down and better. You cannot see the ground. Fourth one. What is the work of worker bees? Worker bees. I think now you can see the question. What is the work of worker bees? Worker bees. Question mark. Answer. The work of worker bees is to first build the hive. B-U-I-L-D, build the hive. The worker bees, they build hive. Build hive means they construct the hive. Gudana Fattozo. Second one, collecting the food. Collecting the food means nectar. Collecting the food. Third one point. Thirdly, looking after well-being. Looking after well-being.